Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect Ninja form after form submission to custom page or URL in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Ninja form. On top you see email and action. So click on it and then you see add new action. Also you see success message. If you want you can disable it. And then click on add new action, so click on it and then you see redirect, so click on it, so redirect edit and then you see action name redirect enable, so you can add page URL or custom URL according to your requirement. So we added google.com URL. So after form submission Ninja form redirect to google.com, click on done and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to Ninja form, refresh the page. So we are going to fill this form. So we added some information and then click on submit. Now processing and then you see success message and redirect to google.com after form submission. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.